Okay, we finally have our scatter plot looking as professional and easy to read as possible that we can do with Google Sheets and the native features that it has. Now, how do we get this fine looking scatter plot out of Google Sheets and use it somewhere else? So the best way to do that with the least amount of problems in the future is if you click on, the hamburger or these three vertical dots here on the upper right-hand corner of the graph. Now notice these only appear if the chart is selected, okay? So here the chart is not selected, so you don't see them. So you need to left click on the chart so they show up, left click on those three dots, and you want to download the chart as a PNG image. Do not publish the chart, and it'd be tempting to copy the chart because you would click copy, maybe go over to your Word document or your Google Docs document and paste. Okay, but if you do that, Word and Google Docs are going to set up this kind of complicated link between your spreadsheet and your Word document. And in the communication between those two programs can get kind of screwed up and just causes really squirrely things to happen. So the easiest thing to do, trust me, this comes from a lot of years of experience, is instead of using copy chart, download it as a separate picture file. So under download chart, put PNG image. Okay, and it's going to open up this save as window, and save it someplace where you can get to it, and give it a name. So give it a name that is something that is easy to remember. So maybe use what we named the tab. So scatter plot. Now you can use actually a few more characters. So this is a scatter plot showing one correlation between height versus crop height. And then we can do save. All right, now this is now this is a PNG file that we can use in like Microsoft Word or Google Docs, and we won't have to worry about it screwing up anything else. Now later on, if we wanted to add a trend line to this, you'll notice that the chart editor disappeared, but I can bring it back by clicking on these three dots again and choosing Edit Chart. And we can customize series. And I can go down here to Trend Line, select that. Okay, and it put back all of the options that I put in earlier. And the nice thing about that is now I can click this, download chart, download it as a picture file, a PNG image, and I can give it a similar name to this one by clicking on it and then adding to the name trendline. Now this is the same scatter plot, but now with a line of regression in it, and I can click save. And so now I've got the two of those saved, and I can use them in my report.